All right, today's video, we got a 2025 Ford Ranger in here up on the lift, and we are going to install PPF on this gray bumper part. There's PPF being installed on the rest of it. Some of it was in yesterday's video. Today's video, we're just doing the bumper, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today. Probably a shorter video again, but tomorrow's video, I'm going to start doing actual vlogs again. More vlog style stuff with like more shop how-to kind of stuff, and like what it's like running a print shop that I don't own. So there we go. Okay, first thing you want to do is obviously you want to do a full wash on your vehicle before you install PPF. We've already done that on this thing. I've already clay barred all the parts that I was PPFing. So this has been clay barred already. So now we're just going to go ahead and, with my almost empty alcohol bottle, really scrub down all those edges, because that'll just make it that much easier to get that PPF to stick and stay down. Go ahead and do the other side right away. Yeah, there we go. Now I've got my tack solution, hot distilled water. That's all we need for tack. And we got our slip solution, which is distilled water with baby shampoo in our keg. So we're gonna go ahead and get that nicely slipped up. Go to my weeding board and grab that side of the bumper piece. Spraying the backing as I go. So when I'm pulling it off, it's nice and wet and not getting contaminants on it. And we're gonna go ahead and lay that down. Now this template originally is all as one, but our local Ford dealership likes to rivet these on. I believe that's who does it. So I just splice it in half pretty much, take out a little chunk. Not enough, so now I'll have to trim it once I get it in place there. So I go ahead and tack down. I like to start these guys right there. Really helpful if you have a squeegee like this that's got an angle, so you can just get in there nicely. All right. This is not quite ideal here, so we're gonna a little bit of slip behind there. We're gonna pop this up and realign that. Yeah, there we go, that's already better. here. And we're just slicing these fingers, not going against them, slicing back and forth. Dispersing them pretty much. So what you want to do is just go at them. You're going to notice them big time. Okay. So here I'm going to make a cut. Not my exact cut. This backside tacked on a little bit more than I want to without squeegeeing it. Hold this down just so it's not touching while we squeegee this. Rolling over that edge with the squeegee. There we go. We'll do another little quick trim, just so that falls into place, just like that. There we go. Now we do need to, now we just need to come back here. As you guys saw, I didn't actually finish this off right away. Should have, but I didn't. There's actually, I pull that back. Lots of these templates for these brand new vehicles aren't always 100% yet because of, you know, first revision on making the template for the company that's making the template software. So we do still have to do some trimming sometimes. So. But that sat down nicely there. Got that. So a little bit of tack switching in there. Get that edge down. This down here. There we go. That's bumper, one side of the bumper installed. Hopefully that was a little bit helpful to some of you guys. I'll start doing more little stuff like this, but I'm also going to continue doing shop vlogs and work vlogs. Working in the wrap, PPF, not tint, signage industry and apparel industry. So that's what we all do here at Model 72. So if you guys need some of that stuff, check out Model 72. And for the meantime, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for your support. See you guys in the next one, which is obviously tomorrow.